I got this white oak wood from Home Depot, which is 3 3/4 wide and 6 feet long. Edge on wood is bad, so I need to just clean it and make it straight. So I cutting to the size 3.5. After I cut both sides, I sand it all down with 120 and 220 sandpaper, so I don't have to sand it small pieces after cutting. I also bevel the edge of the wood, so it's not sharp and it's clean look. Now I cleaning one end of the wood, because they are usually bad from the factory, and then cutting all the wood to the size. I just put tape and writing down the size so I don't mess up the pieces. When I pre-cut all bottom angles, I have to find top angles and also choose design which I like. I using big clamp to just hold pieces of wood in position so I can mess with the top. When I find good design and all angles, I can start cutting. After cutting, I use sandpaper to clean wood after cutting. And glue them together. I use brad nailer to hold everything together, and I don't have to use any clamps. I used wood filler to fill all nails holes. While filler is drying, I start preparing magnets for bottom of the shelf. I find right size drill for magnets and then start making location of magnets, 3 inch apart and 1.5 from the front side. I use automatic center puncher to keep drill on center and then start drilling. down all excess putty with 220 sandpaper. I used special walnut wood stain, which made beautiful finish on white oak. Now I am ready for installing magnets. I used Gorilla Clean epoxy, which is easy to use. Just mix two parts together and apply it. Now it's time to prepare holes for key holder hanger. I think is the best way to hang this key organizer. It's easy to install and hang on the wall. Just drill two holes, one 1/2 inch and second 1/4 inch. I need to pre-drill holes for the screws, so I find good size of drill for the screw and drill it. For installing the key holder on wall, I didn't use any anchors. I don't gonna put anything heavy on the shelf, so that is not necessary. This build is really easy and fun to do, especially find the right angles. If you like this build, give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also check my other videos on the channel, and I will see you next week.